Madam, thank you so much for choosing the deluxe eternal casket for your grandmother, and my sincere condolences on her death in that tragic fireworks accident. Thank you so very much, and I really, really appreciate you offering me that special discount. Ugh. So you're in the middle of a serious video call on Zoom and something like that happens? I'm exaggerating a bit, sure, but something very similar did actually just happen yesterday to my husband, where he got a random and unexplainable video effect during a serious sales call. The internet is alive with stories of people being surprised by this across many different video conferencing platforms. So what gives, and how the heck do you stop it? For starters, you can blame Apple. This is all thanks to a new upgrade to the new Mac OS Sonoma. The newest operating system update from Apple has been tweaked to allow for a wide variety of what are called webcam video reactions, which are actually able to kind of see gestures you might make on camera and then add what you could generously call exciting additional effects. The only thing is, no one asked for them, and they're not limited to just FaceTime. If you're on almost any video call platform, including Skype, Zoom, or Google, your MacBook and the new operating system will override your desire for professionalism and assault your meeting with these random special effects. An even bigger concern? When you upgrade to the new Sonoma operating system, this fun idea appears to be enabled by default, which no doubt has hundreds or possibly even thousands of working professionals on serious business calls unwittingly making a gesture and being treated to potentially juvenile reactions. For the same reason I don't use memojis in business emails, this is a horrible idea to force on people. Now, to be clear, I don't object to the reactions. I object to them being enabled for all video conferencing platforms by Apple by default. And of course, figuring out what just happened or how to fix it before your next meeting is not easy or intuitive. Let's back up a second. What webcam video gestures are you actually going to get? The gestures seem harmless enough that you probably would consider using them if you were in a meeting with people that you thought might appreciate them. But apparently these gestures are actually being triggered accidentally. For example, holding up two peace signs will cause confetti to scatter across the screen. A double thumbs up will give you fireworks. Making a heart symbol with your fingers will add jolly red balloons above your head. I do think, though, it is kind of a shame that there's no option for adding something crazy like this. Here's how to turn off those Mac webcam gestures in Mac OS Sonoma. Now, maddeningly, of course, it seems like there is no one-stop answer for fixing it. You actually need to turn it off for every single video conferencing platform you use, which means you'll either need to initiate video calls on all platforms just to disable the setting, or jump on any call early and make sure it's off. Here's how to do it. When your webcam is on and it's being used, you'll see a little green camera button in the menu bar, likely at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. The icon next to reactions will likely be green. You can tap it to disable it. Now you're going to have to repeat this for any other video conferencing platforms you use. While I hope future updates will disable this feature by default, at least these steps can help you undo some of the damage. Unless you didn't know this feature was coming, like most of us did not, you didn't know what it was called or what would happen, and you didn't even know how to search for a solution, and the only reason you found this video is because you were embarrassed in a recent call, that sucks. You can check out more of my Apple how-to videos, including why your AirPods may be ruining your day, right now.